Welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a popular Middle Eastern side dish called Batata Harra, which is Lebanese spicy potatoes flavored with garlic, chili, cilantro. It is so tasty and it's a great appetizer or side dish that you can make with any kind of cuisine. It doesn't just have to be Middle Eastern. You can take it to a barbecue or just have it as a side dish for dinner. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for the potatoes and the sauce. Some of the ingredients are used for both the potatoes and the sauce. 2 pounds of potatoes. I like to use Yukon Gold potatoes and I cut them into 1-inch cubes. You could also use baby potatoes and cut those into halves. 2 tablespoons of olive oil for the potatoes and 2 tablespoons for the sauce. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a cup of chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of paprika for the potatoes, and half a teaspoon for the sauce. And you'll also need 1 teaspoon of minced garlic for the sauce. First, you're going to mix all the spices together. Salt, pepper, half teaspoon of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix all the spices together. Add the potatoes to a large bowl and add the spice mix to the potatoes. Toss the spices and the potatoes. You can use your hands. That's probably the easiest way. Just make sure you wash your hands really well before and after you do that. I don't usually preheat the air fryer for this recipe. Just spray the bottom of the air fryer with some oil spray. Try not to use an aerosol can because that can damage your air fryer. Transfer the potatoes to the basket and shake them up so they're spread out evenly. And now you're going to air fry for 18 minutes at 400 degrees. After 9 minutes, halfway through cooking, you're going to open the air fryer and shake up the potatoes and then continue air frying till the 18 minutes are up. Since your air fryer may be different from mine, just check on the potatoes at around 16 minutes to make sure that they're not overcooking. When the cooking time is up, if the potatoes are not cooked enough, just air fry them for another couple of minutes. Now we're ready to make the sauce. Heat a small saucepan over medium heat. Add the olive oil, and once the olive oil is hot, add the garlic. Now make sure that the garlic doesn't burn. So you just want it to get fragrant, and if you find that it's getting too hot or burning, just remove the saucepan from the heat source. Once the garlic is fragrant, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Once again, make sure it doesn't burn and be sure to remove it from the heat if you find that it's burning, because it'll have a bitter taste. Stir in the cilantro and coat it with the oil. Add a teaspoon of paprika. And some lemon juice. Stir all the ingredients together. And you can turn off the heat, and now your sauce is ready to be mixed with the potatoes. Transfer the potatoes from the air fryer to a large bowl. Stir in the cilantro sauce and mix everything together so the potatoes are completely coated with the sauce. I like to serve this dish right away because it just tastes best that way. If you wanted to make it ahead of time, I would cook the potatoes just a little bit less and make the sauce and reheat both before mixing them up and serving them. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's a really tasty dish, and it's one of my family's favorites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.